Hi guys, this is Filmster14 and I'm back in Dubai after nearly 2 years now, and I've come here to get you guys some nice supercar content. And to start that off, today I'm at First Motors, which has just opened up here, and it has to be one of the biggest supercar showrooms, and they have some really nice super rare hypercars. So let's go check them out now. So when we enter the First Motors showroom, we are greeted with a Ferrari SF90 Spider and a beautiful traditional Rosso Corsa shade. Wow, and you just look at the interiors, the beige and the red contrasting, looks amazing. And behind the SF90 Spider, you have the best collection of cars you will ever see in your life, honestly. Starting off with the two Bugattis. This one is a Bugatti Chiron Sport and it's a special edition. I'm not sure how to pronounce the name, but it's some French word and it's written right there. It's just one of 20 in the entire world. And this one is a Bugatti Divo, a super rare Bugatti, one of only 40 in the entire world. Crazy. And guys, this one is a McLaren P1 GTR, one of only 58 I guess, and there are very few which are road legal. I mean, just look at this. This is a car made for the track and now it is converted into a road legal car. And over here you have the McLaren Senna, absolute, killed it with the spec, the golden rims and the carbon fiber. If you can see, it's crazy how beautiful this thing looks. And over here, I mean, my hands are literally shivering. I cannot believe I'm standing in front of them. This is the Lamborghini Sian, one of only 63 made, and this is a hybrid V12 supercar from Lamborghini. And this one is a McLaren Speedtail. It pays homage to the McLaren F1, and as you can see, the driver's seat is in the center of the car. So this is basically a three-seater car. I mean, just look at the paint, the crystals that's shining under the sunlight. It's crazy. And these wheels, the carbon fiber disc. Wow. Okay, so here's are the Lamborghinis. So let's starting off with my personal favorite car, the Lamborghini Murcielago SV. Only a handful of cars in the world, and one is right here. This one is another personal favorite Aventador of mine, the Aventador SV, in a beautiful matte black shade, probably known as the Nervo Nemesis. Crazy. Just look at how beautiful this thing looks, guys. The matte carbon fiber wing. Over here we have a Lamborghini SVJ. Next to it is a Lamborghini SVJ 63. Only 63 units in the entire world. This, wow, just look at this shade. This is the Huracan Evo. And it looks like a Verde Scandal, but it's a matte finish, probably from the factory. Huracan Evo. Let's go on the other side now. Let's cross these cars and let's go towards the Ferraris. You just look at this thing, guys. Over here, this is a 812 GTS, a 488 Pista, a 488 Pista Spider, and over here you have two SF90s Stradales parked right here. And oh my god. This is a Ferrari section of the First Motors, and right here this has to be the highlight of this segment, the Ferrari Monza SP2. I honestly can't believe it, I'm standing in front of these cars. I mean, this is not a car, it looks and is a hypercar, guys. Just look at this. The interiors, the carbon fiber, everything is carbon fiber. So behind me there are 5 488 Pista Spiders, and in India we just have 2. This is just crazy, guys. I mean, just look at the white one, the white leather with Alcantara contrast. Looks sick. and this olive green kind of a color. Wow. Over there we have a Ducati Diavel, which is the Lamborghini edition. So it is, I guess, just 630 units in the entire world, or maybe 63. I'm not sure, but yeah. And over there, oh my god, we have a Ferrari LaFerrari, one of only 499. Over here we have all ranges of Porsches, and they are all brand new ones. They are all the 992 variants. So I guess this is the GT3, another GT3. I mean, just look at this, guys. This is, oh my god. Over here we have a Ferrari 488 Challenge Evo. It just looks, I mean, wow. I doubt this is even road legal. And over here, my personal favorite car, the F12, the Ferrari F12 TDF. And this is a tailor-made Ferrari, guys. Just have a look at this. This is crazy. A one-of-one custom-built car. And this one is a GT2 RS Club Sport. And there are two GT2 RSs in this beautiful shade of black and a blue color. Right there. That's Speciale looking. And here we have the Phantom 8. Oh, just look at this, guys. SVJ, the beautiful shade of matte black. I mean, just look at this thing, guys. Crazy. Wow. Just look how this thing looks, guys. The Phantom is the 992 Turbo S. Over there are a bunch of G-Wagons and Bentagas and a GLS Maybach. A GT3 RS right here. And this is a SF90, a Portofino, a nice Urus, and I guess a couple of Uruses over here. Cullinan's right there, another Portofino. This, I guess, is a Urus Mansouri. 812 GTS, another Pista Spider, another Pista Spider. So there were 5 over there, 6 and a 7. Ferrari Roma, another 812 GTS, the new Rolls-Royce Ghost, another Ghost right here. This is a Wraith, and it's definitely a special edition. Over here we have another Wraith in a very striking neon green color, another Dawn. Now let's go check out the cars that are parked inside. Over here we have a brand new Bentley Continental GT V8 convertible, and over here, oh my god, this is a brand new Mercedes AMG GT Black Series, and there are not just one, not two, but there are 3 right there. There's another one over there, and a Ford GT, which is a super rare car, and it comes fitted with a factory Akrapovic exhaust. I mean, this thing looks crazy, guys. Look at this wing, the double wing over here, the carbon fiber rear diffuser. Love this color over here. A Shelby GT500, and it's quite modern. It's got the carbon fiber hood and the carbon fiber roof. Here we have 3 Black Series. This is the SLS AMG Black Series, another SLS AMG Black Series, and this one is a SL65 Black Series, but it's got a Brabus tune and a Brabus kit, as you can see. Crazy. A AMG GTR Pro, and this is a McLaren SLR, and it's got a overdose of carbon fiber, the C63 Black Series. Behind that we have a Huracan Evo and a 458 Speciale. I love this color. I mean, it looks superb. Another SF90 over there. Over here we have loads of G-Wagons, and the one behind, I guess, is a 4x4 square. And of course, it's a Brabus 4x4 square. I mean, the G-Wagon is already humongous. And to put it into perspective, just have a look at this 4x4 square. And let me just squeeze inside, and G-Wagon, G-Wagon. I love this color. This is some unique kind of a color. Another G-Wagon, a GLS Maybach. Wow, this looks too good. A matte black G-Wagon. Guys, this is it for today. This was a rather amazing walk around of this beautiful showroom here in Dubai, First Motors. Make sure to check them out on Instagram, and also make sure to follow my Instagram page because I upload some daily content over there also. So that's it for today, and see you guys next time. Goodbye.